Today I am going to show you actually how to manage to play your PS4 game, with this problem. I'll show you these photos just to show you that I had this problem. I had it for weeks, and it's WWE 2K20. I know the game is pretty glitched and all of that, but still, it's the disc version, and the game just didn't work one day for me. And the game looks pretty good, like the disc is perfect, no scratches and anything similar to it, like I will show you in this picture. And yeah, we'll show you two other pictures, like you guys see. I'm not lying to you. That's the game right now for me. Let me just get out here real quick, and yeah, like you see, it's working. So all you need for this is you don't need to actually delete the game, or just try to delete the game and install it again, so you're just in the safe thing, because I have done too. And if you have done it, all you need is this wet glass wipe, and clean your disk on both sides, put it back on the PS4 like I did, and now I'll start the game just to show you it's working. And I will also, oh wait, let me just turn it on real quick and go in. I will just show you that the game is actually working for me now. But I have to charge my controller real quick. Okay. Had this problem for a month or nearly 2 months now, and I was really upset. I deleted everything, sadly, this game. And the problem was that my PS4 got quiet once I started the game, and usually, when you have a disc, your PS4, the PS4 is loud. And then like now, I hope you could hear it. Okay, my controller is a bit bugged, Okay, now let me just go in the game real quick and skip everything. So usually when I started the game, it mostly crashed here until now. But it's not, PS4 is still loud. And let me just press on 101, normal. We take Roman Reigns here, and I don't know, let's just take Matt Riddle and start the match. Just a random thing, and to prove you all that I am not lying. Now I'll skip C and the other one too, and PS4 is still loud, and everything's cool. I can see. Okay, now that's Roman Reigns, that's me. Press X real quick. Okay, I will show you. Okay, I'm going up, left, right, pressing on X, and the game's working fine, Thanks for watching.